Hi guys, part 2. I'm going back to school. So I'm going back to school. I'm wearing one of my new ones that I showed you to my videos. I mean my new videos in part 1. Okay. I know, and every school they need a nameplate and a bag. Makano baon ko?
60 lang. Tama na yun.
60. Buti naman. 60.
Mais ka.
Dahil 60 baon ko, di ba? Wala kaming klase.
Meron. Magre-recess ka dun sa ano.
So, we're doing a picture.
Ay, ganda na ni nanay.